Hello guys, it's WM Cubing, and today we're going to be unboxing this GAN 251M Pro today. So let me go ahead and try to get this wrapper off. Sometimes it can be pretty hard. Okay, now I got it. Okay, now we can open the box. The coolest part. So first off, it looks pretty good. The colors look amazing. It feels great. I feel way faster trying to solve this. It feels amazing. Now let's put it back in there so that we can get all the other stuff. Let's look and see what's in this. So right when you open it, this is probably what you see. You see this holder, and then when you open it up, just like this, it says, "Your ultimate personal best" on it, and it looks pretty cool with the color. And then we've got some magnets, and then it looks like it's probably gonna be going through this right here. I don't see anything can help you. First off, I'm gonna see how good I can do. Yeah, it feels amazing. It looks really good. It feels nice and soft and very good. And I think that if y'all buy 2x2, y'all should definitely get this one. It's amazing, and it feels great on my hand. And I already feel way faster than I do when I used to use this thing. But now I'm using this and I feel way faster. So I'm gonna try to put maybe one of these in here. I guess I'm gonna do purple. We'll look at the instructions first. It looks like it could be like some stuff. Okay. This was hiding under there. We got the instructions and this little screwdriver. Guess I'm gonna look at the instructions first. Yeah, I guess. So we take this tiny little thing off that's like a cover. looks like. Once you put it down in there. Yeah, I don't know how to do it. I guess I can just tilt it right now until I do know how to do it. And I also have this. I also have this 4x4. I also have this. I also have this 4x4 right here. And today, I got it today, and today I'm going to be learning how to solve it. Because I just got a 4x4 and it's this one. It feels great too, but let's go back to 2x2. And this is a unboxing 2x2. Yeah, it feels amazing. I think that I just can't get better than this. And if you want to learn how to solve this 2x2 or a 2x2, then I have a 2x2 tutorial on it, on how to solve a 2x2 and 3x3. And once I learn how to solve a 4x4, which is gonna be today, I'll do a 4x4 tutorial. And March 28th is my birthday, so I might be getting some different cubes that I can also learn how to solve. And then I might do a lot of tutorials coming up and videos. And I have one YouTube video, but I haven't been able to do it because of the rain in Memphis. And that's been stopping me from doing what I've been trying to do outside. Because I've been trying to do some challenges, but because of the weather, I haven't been able to do that. So that's why I've only been inside doing all the videos. That's why I'm inside right now, because it's very windy outside. I think that's gonna end it for this video. I'm gonna try to do as much videos as I can, but I don't think I'll be able to do that many with all the bad weather here. But before I end the video, make sure to like and subscribe. And I guess that's gonna be all for this video today. Peace.